Hello everyone, my name is Parnika. On behalf of Sri Rama Bharati Public School online classes, I welcome you all here. The topic for today is working with desktop icons. So let's see. The first is how can we select an icon? So to select an icon, we simply need to click on it. You will notice that the selected icon gets highlighted. So you are able to see here, these are the icons and the selected icon comes under the white square box. So we can click it. Once we click on it, the icon gets selected. Okay, for selecting an icon, a single icon, what we will have to do is simply take the mouse towards the icon of your choice. Whichever icon you want to select, you will take the mouse towards that icon. For example, I want to select this icon named as SRBPS. So what I'll do is I'll take the mouse towards this icon and I'll click on it. Using the left button, I'll click on it. As soon as I click on it, the particular icon or the folder gets selected or highlighted. So this will tell once a folder is highlighted or an icon is highlighted, it will come in a square box. As soon as it comes in a square box, that means it's an highlighted one and it's a selected icon. Okay, everyone. Now selecting adjacent icons. The icons which are near to the other icons altogether are said to be selected under multiple adjacent icons. So the steps for selecting them is click on the first icon to be selected, press and hold the shift key, place the pointer on the last icon to be selected and click. As soon as you click on it, all the adjacent icons would get selected. Now you can release the shift key and the mouse and you will observe that all the adjacent icons that falls between first and the last icons have got selected. Selecting adjacent icons. How we can select adjacent icons? Adjacent means the icons which are near to each other. Okay, so we'll be selecting an adjacent icon. So for example, I want to select multiple adjacent icons which are up, down, left and right of the icons. Then how we'll be doing the selection? So everyone see carefully. What I'll do is I'll select the first icon by clicking on it. Once I click on it, it gets highlighted. Then I'll press the shift key button in my keyboard. While pressing the shift key button, what I'll do is I'll select the last icon of the list. So I'll select the last icon and see all the icons are selected. So this is how we can select the adjacent icons. Multiple adjacent icons. Okay, everyone. To select multiple non-adjacent icons, non-adjacent means which are at different position, not all together, then we have to follow these steps. Press and hold down the control key, then click on the icon to be selected one by one. Finally, release the control key and the mouse. So you have to select the icons by clicking the mouse left button, as well as you have to continue pressing the control key. Once you do that, all the non-adjacent icons get selected. Okay. If I want to select icons or multiple icons which are at different position, not adjacent to each other, but at a different position. So what I'll do is I will select the icon, the first icon I want to select, I'll select that icon. For example, this PC. Once selecting this, I'll press and hold the control key. You have to press and hold the control key and then you have to click on the icons you want to select. For example, I want to select SRBPS, Microsoft Edge, Zoom, and then Acrobat Reader, and then Recycle Bin. As soon as I have selected all of them, I'll release the control key and the left mouse button. And what you will see is you will see all the non-adjacent multiple icons are selected. all the non-adjacent multiple icons are selected. So you have to use the combination of control key as well as left click for selecting multiple icons at different position. Next is deselecting icons. So the icons which you have selected, now you want to deselect it. So to deselect an icon or a group of icons, simply click anywhere on the blank space on the desktop. You will notice that the icon or the icons does not highlight any more. So if you want to deselect the selected icon, all you have to do is you have to click anywhere on the desktop. As soon as you click the mouse left button, the icon would get deselected. Now, if I talk about deselecting an icon. So deselecting means the icon which is already selected, I want to deselect it. So what I'll do is I will go towards the icon which is selected. For example, this is the selected icon. Now I want to deselect it. So what I have to do is, it is very simple. Take it, take your mouse anywhere on the screen and click there. As soon as you click there, the selected icon would get deselected once again. For example, material is selected. Everyone can see material is selected. If I want to deselect it, I'll take the mouse away in on the blank screen and I'll click the mouse there. As soon as I click here, the material icon is deselected. So it is the process of deselecting the icon. Moving icons, how we can move the icons from one place to the other of our choice. So steps to move an icon are: select the icon, then drag it to a new location on the desktop. It is a very simple process. All you have to do is you have to select the icon. If you have to move only one icon, then you will select only one icon. If you want to select multiple icons, then you can select multiple icons, and then all you have to do is, by keep pressing the mouse left button, you have to drag that icons from one place to another place of your choice. As soon as you do it, the position of the icons get changed. So this is the process of moving multiple or a single icon. Okay, everyone. Okay, last we'll be talking about moving the icons. If you want to move the position of the icon, if you want to move the icon from one place to another, what you have to do is, first you have to select the icon or the icon. For example, if you want to move the position of a single icon, all you have to do is click on it and drag your mouse. Drag your mouse and you will see the position of the folder is changed. You can once again drag it away and you can change the position of the icon. Now, if you want to change the position of the icons which are adjacent to each other, multiple icons, then what you have to do is you have to click on the first icon, okay, then press and hold the shift key and select the last icon. In this way, what will happen? All the adjacent icons would get selected. Now press and hold the left click button of the mouse and drag your mouse. As soon as you drag your mouse, the position of all the icons would get changed. This was, once we are talking about changing the position of the icons which are adjacent to each other. Now we'll talk about multiple icons which are non-adjacent to each other. So what you will do is select the icon, first icon, then keep pressing the control key and select the other icons. I am selecting the icons which are non-adjacent to each other. Now once I have selected them, what I'll do is press and hold the left click button and then I'll start dragging them and I'll leave it in a position, whichever position I want, and you will see all the icons which I wanted are shifted, are moved from its original place. So this is how you can move the icons in your desktop screen.